Here's 10k. Go buy me gifts.
I'm gonna get the best gift.
No chance, I'm gonna get the best gift.
I don't trust my best friends to buy me gifts with their own money because they're chindi. So I gave them money, so at least I'll get a gift this time.
Yeah, we have come to the first store, which is the anime store. Let's go to the second store, Krispy Kreme. So we just came to the third location, which is West Side. Let's just say we could improve his dressing sense by a lot. Last stop of the day.
All I know is he's one man child. He will never buy this stuff for himself, okay? What better place to shop for Harshit than What's up, tigers? I am catering to the inner child, which he will never heal unless I heal it for him. You ain't coming close, Cassie.
Time for the gifts. Let's go.
Open.
Oh, it's the tiger.
So cute.
Now you finally have someone in your bed to sleep with.
Who sleeps with me? Okay. Reese's.
Oh, you like Reese's?
You would know that if you were his best friend, bro. What are two things that you love doing, bro? Think and grow rich, yeah? Those are two things you love. Knowledge, bro. Knowledge is the best gift, bro.
Already read the book. Yeah.
That's insane.
Oh!
It's a night lamp.
It's squishy.
You have to put battery.
I give it 10k.
You just get a battery, bro. Take from your remote.
But very cute, bro. Oh, this is an insane game.
It's the Sachin Tendulkar signed cricket ball.
No way, you're actually. Nice.
Inner child healed, no?
Oh, nice.
What, really?
I love it so much that
you
you
should
should keep it, you know.
It took a solid 1 hour to get, you know. More than material things, I know that you love experiences. So how would you like to go for the India-Zimbabwe match, free of cost?
Fuck off.
And we might be able to meet the players.
Fuck off. Are you serious?
Yeah, he won.
Are you working with me?
What would a Marwadi love more than cash, bro? Because it was correctly 9,000. So here is 1,000 rupees.
That's a good one. That's a good one. That's your turn.
Just saying, Real's gift don't call because you're over the budget. Bro gave some ball style by Sachin Tendulkar and some India versus Zimbabwe. That's way over the budget. Only best friend's gift wrap will come. So I got him.
he got Shanks.
Yeah, I got a limited edition Shanks for him.
Oh my god. Bro, look at this. Let's go. We got Shanks.
Real will get one anime gift also for him. Best
God,
friend it
really?
seems. This is the next gift.
I'm just gonna tear it
Yeah,
open.
yeah, go
Sorry,
for it.
mama.
Zoro One Piece t-shirt.
Let's go.
One Piece.
Come
Yeah.
on, man. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this is the kind of
Yeah.
t-shirts that Harshit
No.
wears. It's like One Piece thing. What do you say? Yeah, I just had to add One Piece.
Right now the theme is this is what I would not buy and this is what I need. It's like very hard for me to compare right now.
Actual limited edition. These are 1 out of 50. Also, this will go really well with the. You don't like it, huh? Bacha, you like it. Tell the truth. It looks mad.
That's mad.
Yeah, hey, Bacha, this is an insane buy.
This is his size.
It's a size. I know that he's one little shorter than me.
I just bought mine.
If
okay,
you were
these
his
are-
best friend, you would know that.
These are not
bro.
white. These are cream, bro. I know for a fact that you eat this all the time. I got you pani puri. Because you just had food, I got him Krispy Kreme. So that was like lunch and this is like dessert.
Did you get the right flavor?
Yeah. I know that he likes double chocolate cake. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So double chocolate cake, tiramisu, and obviously all eggless. Yeah. Oh, I'm feeling hungry now.
But is it better than Reese's?
Oh, wow.
And this is one of his favorite drinks, so I got him Coca-Cola. I know he hates Coca-Cola, so I got him unlimited supply of Diet Coke. Yeah. Dude, this is something that you love eating like a lot, bro.
Your mom.
Okay. Unlimited supply of Super. And it's his favorite flavor also. He loves the strawberry one.
Oh, I love this. GG.
Ragi chips.
Oh,
Snackable ragi chips.
And the winner is... I can't choose between my best friends, so let me know in the comments below which gifts you liked.
Hey!